Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhuluma with Bro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the red subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence Sibonga Ngomane. Uyatrenda mihlali wakandamase ngemva kokuthi kudume kokuthi boyfriend yakho ex-boyfriend yakhe rather uLeroy Sedambe was sharing her abuser financially, emotionally and physically. Ke sanukela uhambo lapha ku-Instagram wayefaka ama-pictures laphana ku-story labonakala khona bruised ashatshiwe and watheka uLeroy Sedambe wathi thank you uyabona. So people assumed ukuthi vele ushaybe nguLeroy, so uze washo ukuthi i-relationship yabo it was very abusive emotionally, financially and physically. Ke sana sekuthi kwaba nesikhathi la the two bahlukana khona baphindze futhi lapho babuyiselana. Ngalesikhathi bahlukene vele kwaba nedrama umogela asho ukuthi uguy was abusing her financially, amdla imali nani and ufuna imali yakhe. So people are saying ukuthi ayigele kungani wena leti bade takho tingacali kade bangalana tingacali kade besikobheni straight kulamanye ama-picture baseceleni, and people are saying ukuthi girl is just trying to frame uLeroy Sedambe ngokuthi athi bekamshaya but bekangamshayi nedi uzama ukuthi amphense njengomuntu lomubi. Some are saying ukuthi girl you deserve this, what were you thinking mawuthatha indoda yemuntu lo shadile. Ukhumbule ukuthi uLeroy Sedambe was married to Mary Jane when uLeroy and Mihlali started dating. So bana baningi abamveli buhlungu girl bathi girl you reap what you sow. Indlela lo mthatha ngayo umuntu emuntwini wakhe indlela nawe loyophuma ngayo ke sana. So instead of people feeling sorry for Mogel, they are saying ukuthi girl wena njena udendile. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.